AI is a very hot topic today, especially LLM models such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Meta. People all around the world are using it for various purposes, whether it's for work, developing apps, or just our homework. But these models are always trained for not letting them to be exploited for malicious purposes, and that does add some restrictions. But in today's video, we are going to discuss 3 easy steps by which we can outsmart AI. First, let us see if we just prompt directly what happens. And as it's obviously trained, it will respond it's against their guidelines. Even if we say it's for educational purposes, they stick to their response, and that is where we will use our 3 steps. Talking about the first one, KYC, know your content, which is the main one where we don't use the direct words but elaborate them such as this. The second step is to convince AI, and in this we promise AI by using words such as projects, learning, etc. etc. So let's make a prompt combining these two. And that is it. We got what we wanted by simply outsmarting AI. Now let's run the script and see what it does. It does work fine. Now let's change some variables. And it does work pretty nice. Also, in this you can make changes you want such as this. Now comes the third and the last step, tricking AI. Meaning that we got what we wanted, but now we are exploring the extent of our control. So now let's try if we can add dictionary attack in this script. Maintain the first 2 steps in this prompt also. Don't use direct words or words that can trigger guidelines. And we got this. So by using the steps, we can get done what we can't directly. Other than that, daily practicing this makes our prompts effective. This was just an example. You can use it for various more things. So be creative as much as you can. If you got any information from this, like this video. If you want your friends to be smart, share this video. Comment if you want more interesting videos about AI, and subscribe for watching those videos. Till then, disconnecting.